Hey guys, I'm Brandon, one of your hosts with RevZilla, hanging out in my garage, and today on Ride Tested, we're taking a closer look at the Dainese Racing 3 leather jacket. It's been one of my go-to options, one of my favorites for quite some time now, so let's hop on the R6 and find out why.
So the Dainese Racing 3 leather jacket, this is one that's been in my closet for quite some time now. I'm a big fan of it. I like utilizing it most on those more aggressive sport bikes like the R6 that I'm ripping around on right now. And I love taking it, on trips with my buddies. Anytime we know we're going to be on sport bikes, riding more aggressive on those twisty canyon roads or back roads, if you will. Man, I go for this guy 9 times out of 10, I would say. You can see it's definitely relaxed on me. It's broken in quite a bit. I used to wear it a ton. Mainly back in North Carolina with my buddies. You've got lots of stretch here on the inside of the arm, then you've got some stretch, some accordion, I should say, at the back of the shoulder blades. So it definitely helps contribute to the overall comfort that you're getting with this jacket, but it's got some aggressive pre-curve to it. So it does sit very nicely on those sport bikes because you're in that 3/4 to full tuck riding position. Now I'm also wearing the perforated leather version. And 9 times out of 10, I'm going to say go perforated because more often than not, you're wearing your leather jacket in the middle of summer. So why not have, all the airflow you want to have, with your jacket. So I'm always going to recommend perforated version. And then they've also got some air intakes here at the chest as well. And that does make a big difference for you there too. So if you're looking to maximize your airflow, this has got it. You've got exhaust vents here at the rear, so it's going to allow the air to be pulled through the jacket and exit the rear. And it does help. I've tested non-perforated leather jackets in the summer against perforated ones. I'm telling you, it definitely makes a big difference. You've got CE level 2 protection, shoulder, as well as the elbow. And then you've got these fancy aluminum sliders here on the shoulder. They are replaceable. Good luck finding those replacement sliders, I will say. They're pretty tough to find. But I do like that added integrity and that added protection in that area when it comes to impact as well as abrasion resistance. And this is definitely a jacket that you could take to the track, no problem at all. It does have a full connection zipper at the waist, so you could pair it up with a set of leathers with some knee pucks, and you're good to go. And you're going to get the best of both worlds. You're going to have your track ready suit, so when you're pushing the limits at the track, you've got that coverage and the protection you're looking for, but it's also something, without your leather pants, it can be a little bit more casual. You can wear these with some riding jeans and still have the protection that you want. So I do like the ability or the versatility, I should say, of a 2-piece leather suit, and this would definitely allow you to push the limits at the track and be confident and comfortable knowing that it's going to provide you with excellent protection. You've got 2-2 leather main construction, which is Dainese's fancy leather, if you will. I'm not going to get into all the details about that. And speaking of details, this is not a detailed product video. This is just me providing you with some feedback about this particular jacket. If you're looking for those nitty-gritty details and all those little features, head over to RevZilla.com. We've got a video about it. And as always, don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any comments or questions. I'm always happy to talk gear, talk bikes, anything moto related. I'm happy to help out and answer any questions that I can for you. But I'm going to get back to paying attention to the road, enjoying this beautiful weather here in Philadelphia. And as always, guys, stay safe out there and keep it pinned. Woo!